Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole? Hope you find peace for yourself. New